वेलकम टू येट अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो ऑफ बायो समाचार। सो इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ, प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, हमारी वीडियो पे कमेंट करें, हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करें, ताकि हम इसी तरीके से बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के ऊपर ढेर सारी वीडियोज़ बनाएं और आप सबके साथ शेयर करें, ताकि हर एक स्टूडेंट को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल पाए इन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को अवेल करने का। सो क्या आप भी एक पैशनेट बायोटेक्नोलॉजिस्ट हो या बायोसाइंसेस के स्टूडेंट हो जो कि एक रेगुलर PhD प्रोग्राम का हिस्सा नहीं बनना चाहता है, वो चाहता है कि मेरे को कोई इंटरनेशनल लेवल का PhD प्रोग्राम मिले जहां पे मुझे ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर मिले। सो ये PhD प्रोग्राम आप ही के लिए। इस PhD प्रोग्राम का नाम है i3C BIRAC-RCB PhD प्रोग्राम, जिस PhD प्रोग्राम को सपोर्ट किया है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने। सो इससे अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या हो सकती है? सो इसकी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है, फोकस एरिया क्या है, हम इसके लिए अप्लाई कैसे कर सकते हैं? सो इस प्रोग्राम का जो फर्स्ट बैच था वो 2024-25 में हुआ था। सो वो बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहा है। तो गवर्नमेंट इसकी सेकेंड बैच का एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस ओपन करने वाली है। सो जब तक ये एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस ओपन होता है, उससे पहले हमें इसकी सारी डिटेल्स को बहुत ध्यान से समझ लेना चाहिए, जैसे ही ये एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस शुरू हो हम इसकी पूरा यूटिलाइज कर पाए। तो चलिए समझते हैं इसकी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या।
Today signifies the inception of a new era in the history of Indian biotechnology research and education. A momentous occasion as the Department of Biotechnology proudly introduces the i3C BRIC-RCB PhD program in Biosciences, epitomizing ideation, immersion, innovation, and collaboration. Uniting 13 esteemed institutions of the Biotechnology Research and Innovation Council with the Regional Center for Biotechnology and the International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology. A journey that promises to redefine the landscape of biotechnology research and innovation in India, propelling us towards unparalleled heights of excellence. Recently, the Department of Biotechnology orchestrated a historic symphony by unifying 13 autonomous institutes under its aegis, birthing the Biotechnology Research and Innovation Council, BRIC.
As we all know, under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the nation has embarked on a journey in the field of biotechnology, a sector that was hitherto either underexplored or unexplored. But in recent times, it has started expanding rapidly, progressing in leaps and bounds, and appears to be growing larger and larger in the foreseeable future. You would agree with me that the age of working in silos is over, and therefore, through intertwining and through interdisciplinary research projects, we could encourage collaboration and find solutions to meet the national as well as the global challenges, which would ultimately place India's science and technology on the world stage. And therefore, immersive programs like i3C BRIC-RCB PhD is expected to create a cadre of forward-looking researchers, research workers, research scholars who could supplement India's efforts, India's endeavor in global advancement as far as the area of biotechnology is concerned.
This visionary initiative aims to establish a centralized governance mechanism, fostering multidisciplinary cutting-edge research and nurturing collaboration between academia, healthcare institutions, and industry to provide bioscience-based pioneering solutions to contemporary problems relevant nationally and globally. RCB, a beacon of excellence in providing world-class education, training, and research, has been pivotal in shaping the future of biotechnology. Now, in collaboration with iBRIC, it aspires to offer an immersive, competitive, interdisciplinary education and research program, the i3C BRIC-RCB PhD program in Biosciences.
This is an excellent opportunity for younger people to embark upon their careers in the field of biosciences and biotechnology. PhD is not just a training ground for a challenging and rewarding career, but it is also a means to produce rigorous, relevant research that influences society. And therefore, We want each one of the students to go out in the field, expose themselves to a variety of challenges and problems faced by the people, and derive questions from there, come back to the lab and innovate, and through collaborations try to resolve these bigger challenges and problems.
This interdisciplinary PhD program promises to be a life-changing journey for young minds. Alongside a unique course curriculum, the program envisions providing high-end platform technology, training to engage scholars in the latest advancements of modern biotechnology. A special 3-month on-field immersion program, supported by Grand Challenges India, has been designed to gain first-hand experience of challenges and problems, deriving motivation to address them through collaborative research in iBRIC and DBT institutions.
As the founder of Persistent Systems, I've had a ringside view of the growth of the IT industry. When I started the business in 1990, the IT industry was barely $30 million. Today, it's in excess of $300 billion. The kind of growth we saw in the IT industry, I think we have a similar opportunity in the bio and biotechnology and the bioeconomy. And that's why I'm so excited to be part of BRIC. I'm really delighted to share that the BRIC has set up a PhD program where we want to bring in students from all different kinds of backgrounds, different entry points, and create a really truly interdisciplinary international degree where you can build out a 40-year career in biotechnology. And this will provide you the grounding and the necessary expertise that you need to get this to happen.
The program will also induct and provide opportunities for non-biologists to undertake this PhD program through special fellowships. A yearly conclave has also been planned where scholars and supervisors from iBRIC institutions unite to showcase their innovation through posters and presentations. Ladies and gentlemen, today we unveil not just a program, but a catalyst for transformative change in the realm of biotechnology. Welcome to the i3C BRIC-RCB PhD program in Biosciences, where vision converges with innovation and knowledge molds the future. Join us in this extraordinary journey of ideation, immersion, innovation, and collaboration.